Oh, blasted, how do you like this thing? Can anyone hear me? Dr. Kinley here, ghost hunter extraordinaire. Thank goodness you're there at my manor. I'm in dire need of your help. Look, my ghost containment units are on the frights, and those pesky phantoms are all around you. They've even possessed by paintings and plants. It's up to you. You must explore the manor and recapture the ghosts yourselves. Find the escaping ghosts and zap them swiftly with your phasers. But be warned, some ghosts may put up a fight. Keep an eye out for OG, a formidable spirit who might just be the cause of this spectral crisis. He must be As you make your way, please follow the instructions of my trusty staff. They'll ensure you exit safely and swiftly. Farewell.
That was good. I enjoyed that. Not
There we are then guys, you're going to head out that side for me. Give me bar a little push.
Oh, I'm doing this.
There we go, just head out nice and
Spiel from Dr. Kinley, I think.
Yeah.
That you're going through. Yeah, really good. Really good fun. Oh, right, no worries.
It's such a good ride.
Oh, thank you.